Hey guys, it's Life with Matt here. I'm Matt. Today we're doing the Dream Desk Part 2. Hope you enjoy. We're going to go over the parts we use for the desk. We're going to go over what we have on top of the desk, as well as what is inside the PC. Let's get started. As you can see, we have the Alex drawers supporting the Halistad countertop. And now onto the 3D printer. We're using the Ultimaker Original Plus with a heated bed. Got a little 3D printed guy there. Alright, this is another 3D printed object. It's just a coin sorter we have here, a League of Legends character, and our 23-inch LG monitors. We have two of them. We also have a Blue Yeti microphone. It's actually what's being used to record this right now. Onto the keyboard and mouse. We're using the Logitech G Pro gaming keyboard. It doesn't have a 10 key. And we're using their Logitech mouse. We have our volume control. Another League of Legends figure. Hey Google, turn off my light.
Sure, turning off my light.
Our Google Home. And our PC. It's fully decked out with RGB, other than the graphics cards. I wanted the graphics cards to have RGB, but it costed an extra $75 per card for the same performance, so I opted out of it. We have our Hue Plus fans, as well as a Hue Plus LED strip at the top. Our NZXT all-in-one water cooler. Our G-Skill Trident Z RAM, two Asus 1070 graphics cards, EVGA SLI bridge, and our Samsung solid-state hard drive, as well as Razer Kraken headphones. We have Sony headphones that are wireless for jamming out to music, and the Razer Kraken headphones for gaming. We also have three Logitech speakers, two smaller ones and one sub. And here's your final reveal. Thanks for watching. Alright, that concludes the IKEA Dream Desk build, part 2. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment if you want to know anything about any of the items. I'll leave links down below to all the items that I have shown you in the video. That's all. Thanks.